Welcome. If you don't know who I am, well, it's gonna be right over here, honey. It is Queen Ro, the one and only. Guys, a lot has happened in the last year. I'm just beyond grateful for each and every one of you. For the past year, I have been working so hard. You guys have no idea, to deliver a product that actually works. I am the only one in the world right now that is selling this device. Yes, honey, if you look up every single one of my ingredients, they are vegan. She is certified cruelty free. So if you guys don't know about this little bunny right here, now for SelfLoveSolutions, to get this little bunny, I can't just go and put this little bunny on my products. I had to go through a whole ordeal, a lot, for me to be able to use this logo. So there are companies out there that unfortunately aren't as transparent and are using the bunny. So every time you guys see the little bunny, is the PETA organization. I'm gonna put up the link down below so you guys can double check if the products that you are using are indeed cruelty-free, honey, because there are some companies that are just using this logo and without approval. Without further ado, let's get into this video because I need to show you guys my new and improved 2021 Ultrasonic Cavitation device. You cannot find this on Amazon at the moment. I will have this up on my Amazon website this year, so stay tuned. At the moment, I am only offering it on my website, SelfLoveSolutions.store. I'll have the link below. And without further ado, honey, let's get into this cavitation device. So when you guys order this cavitation device, honey, you will receive it like this. This is the box and this is the packaging. So it's going to be in this organza bag. The same company that sells the other ones is the distributor that offers this device. However, I have been working closely with them, and so far I am the only one that is selling this new and improved baby. When you open her up, this is what you will find. You will find a manual. You will find these gloves. I'll get into these gloves in a minute. You are going to find the adapter. That's this right here. And it also brings its cord. So this is the cord that you're going to connect to the adapter. And this is how you're going to hook on the device. So, honey, let me take off the actual plastic, okay? And there's also a plastic on this side for protection. So we're gonna go ahead and remove that as well. Can we take a moment and admire the beauty of this device?
Guys, look at this. Gold side, and the front has no buttons. She is sexy.
As soon as I saw this model, I was like, I need to offer you to my clients. I need you in my life, honey. I want you in my life. This looks like it's giving me like futuristic Tesla. With every purchase, you will also be receiving a free sample of my ultrasonic cavitation gel. Yes, honey, I am the only one offering an organic cavitation gel with good ingredients. It's cruelty-free, certified cruelty-free. Let me get that straight. Certified cruelty-free and vegan. Yes, I said it again. Certified cruelty-free and vegan. So you guys can try it. If you guys love it, which I know you guys will, you will see results within the third session that you use it. You don't have to use a lot. You should only be using per 10-minute session approximately about a quarter size, so maybe about this much or so, depending on where you're going to use it. Obviously, if you use it on a bigger section of your body like your thighs, you're probably going to need more, but at least you'll be able to try my gel before you go ahead and purchase it. Now the last thing that is in the box is 2 little sticky pads. These are for backup. And if you're going to use them, you have a second pair, and you have the cord that connects the sticky pads or the gloves to the device. You guys are going to connect it to the side of the device, which is right here. That's for EMS. EMS is electronic muscle stimulation. EMS, okay? So you are either going to use the sticky pads, and in the manual, it tells you exactly where on the body you should be putting these, okay? So this is basically going to give you massages, and it's going to work out your muscles. You guys can use also the gloves. The gloves have little hooks on them. You're going to hook it on here. In the manual, like I stated before, it tells you where in the body you should be using the EMS function. It's going to be on the last page of the manual, page 13. Oh, I know it could be a little bit confusing. Hopefully you guys can stop it or just rewind to whatever section of this video you're going to need reference to. How to turn on the device. You're going to click on menu. Menu turns it on. The first thing you're going to see is EMS. So for those of you that want to use the EMS, either with the sticky pads or either with the gloves, you're going to select this function. Alrighty? So you could either select the level of EMS 1, level 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5, and then it starts again once you click it in level. Sorry, the camera is backwards because I do record with my phone, and it's the front camera. Yeah, that's how I record, so I apologize. Please bear with me. So you're going to click level depending on the EMS that you wish to do. Either EMS 1, when you click on mode, you're going to go into EMS 2, click on mode again, you're going to see EMS 3, 4, or 5. Now, each setting, you can select the mode of that setting, and I'll explain what I mean by that. So to go into the next setting after EMS, we're going to see Sonic. It says it right here. I'm not sure if that's going to pick it up, but the second one is going to be Sonic. Sonic, you can't choose the level, that's only for EMS, but you can change the mode. There's 2 modes with Sonic, and within those 2 modes, there's 2 more modes, okay? So you're going to select mode, and it's going to give you L. L is for low. Low is when I recommend for you guys to use it on your face, whether it be your double chin area, whether it be the cheek area, or when you don't want too much intensity. On the body, I definitely recommend for you guys to choose the next one, which is, when you click on mode again, H. H is for high, and the vibration, I'm not sure if you guys are picking up that vibration. I'll put it close to the microphone here. The vibration is going to be a little bit higher. That's the ultrasound. I also have my water bottle here next to me. We're gonna go in. You guys see that? That means the device is indeed working. We're just gonna move that up a little bit, right? When it evaporates like this, like I've explained to you guys before, you have an authentic device. There have been people, you guys have no idea how often people have reached out to me saying to me, hey, I ordered this device on Amazon, or I ordered this device from such and such website, and I did the water droplet test and it's not evaporating. Guys, you have no idea how many people reached out to me on Instagram and YouTube, through here in my other videos regarding their fake cavitation. There are knockoffs of this device. So for you guys to avoid that, just do your thorough research before you order a device. I pride myself in doing my thorough research and putting out authentic and good products. Okay, oops, I pressed something here. Okay, so back to where we were. We were in Sonic High. So Sonic High, I recommend for you to do for the body, whether it be your waist, your thighs, any problem area that you wish to either reduce cellulite, to reduce fat, and stimulate lymphatic drainage. The next one, once you click mode again, you're going to see it tapping. I normally don't use that setting. It's just a more gentle cavitation mode. Then you're going to press menu one more time. You're going to see ion. I have gotten so many questions about ion. I wasn't 100% sure about what ion was, so I had to reach out to the manufacturer and ask them, hey, what is ion for? So ion, either positive or negative, is for skin cleansing and stimulation of skin cleansing. That's not something that I would need. I really just want my skin to tighten, lift, firm, and I want the light therapy on my body, honey, because that's what got rid of my stretch marks. So ion I really don't use. To be honest with you, I'm gonna be transparent with you guys. I don't use it. So continuing on, we're gonna press menu and you're going to see LED. So LED light therapy has amazing results. When you first click on LED, in order for you to get the infrared, which is great for anti-aging, reducing stretch marks, whether they're pink or purplish or reddish. It's amazing for collagen reproduction. So you're going to press mode once and it's going to be red. Okie dokie. That's the infrared amazing light that helped my stretch marks, honey, disappear. I have 0 stretch marks, and I'll show you guys right now again, just in case you guys don't believe me. I had stretch marks all the way from here all the way down, and I have before and after pictures, and I was getting to the point where I was just so embarrassed, and right now they are gone completely. So following LED red light therapy, we're going to click on this and it's going to turn into green. So the green light therapy, you guys, is going to help you guys with any hyperpigmentation or any dark spots. If you guys have any acne scars or if you suffer from severe hyperpigmentation, this is going to be what you're going to want to use. Okay, so you could use this on any facial acne scars, or you can also use it on any scars in the body. Also, stretch marks. This is another thing that will get rid of stretch marks. Okay, so next we're gonna follow up with blue light therapy. So blue light therapy is going to be for those of you that get breakouts, that get acne, that get cystic acne, that get menstrual acne, that get hormonal acne, any acne, including maskne, that is certainly a thing right now. Gosh, I had really, in the beginning of this pandemic, when I was working at Sephora and I was having to wear a mask for 8 hours, 5 or 6 hours a day, guys, my acne was horrible. I wish I would have had this device last year, because this would have been something that I would have used. Now, let's say that you have hyperpigmentation, you have acne, and let's say you have stretch marks or you have some wrinkles all together. You could do red, green, and blue together. All you're going to do is click it one more time after the blue, and you're going to be able to use red, green, and blue LED light therapy. Isn't that phenomenal? I love that option too, just in case if you guys have all of those things going on. So when we click on mode one more time, you are going to see it blinking. To be honest with you, you don't have to use it at blinking. You could just have it all together. But let's say if you guys don't want to use it all as intense and you guys want something a little bit more mild, you could definitely use this option. We're gonna click this one more time and it's going to bring us to the beginning of LED. So that, my friends, takes care of how to use all of the functions of my new ultrasonic cavitation device. So to turn it off, all you have to do is hold down the menu button for at least 2 seconds or 1 second, and it turns right off. Just lift your finger. If you keep your finger there for a little bit longer, what's gonna happen is it's gonna turn right back on, as so. Turns off and then turns right back on. Don't commit the mistake. Now again, to turn off, you hold it for about 1 second and lift your finger right back up. If you want to turn it right back on, you hold it for about 2 seconds and there it goes. So that, my friends, is how you use the new and improved 2021 cavitation device. This sexy machine is going to help you guys so much So that concludes my tutorial, my friends, on how to use the new and improved ultrasonic cavitation device, the new model that came out this year 2021. If you're watching this in the future, right now we're in May, honey. If you need any further assistance, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. I'll leave my links down below to all of my social media handles that I do use. I use Facebook, and I use mainly, I'll be honest with you guys, mainly I do read all of my YouTube comments. I respond to all of my DMs, whether it's going to be on SelfLoveSolutions Instagram or my personal Instagram, QueenRose7, which is going to be right here. Honey, reach out to me, ask me anything that you guys need. I am here to help, and I'm more than happy to do so. Let me know what more you want to see from me. If you want more products or more things that you guys need help on, a facial product perhaps, ding ding ding, that might be something that I'm working on the future. As always, love yourself, love yourself, love yourself. Stay beautiful inside and out.